Snore, snore. Mikey, I know you're not asleep. You're saying the word snore. I'm not Donnie. Ralph ain't gonna fall for that. Snore. I know you're not actually asleep. By the way, I can feel you smiling. Snore. Come on, Mikey. Just hold on a little longer. We're almost home. I need you to stay awake for me, okay? That's it, big man. You're doing great. Just keep talking to me. Ruff? Yeah? Are you asleep? Nah. Where? Home. Oh. Thank you for carrying me. No problem, big man. That's what Raf's here for. Can I go to sleep now? Go ahead. Night. Rafi, love you. Rafi loves you too.